Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my eater bag and everything that I'm putting inside. I didn't even know what an eater bag was until I went to Comic-Con in Glasgow this year. If you would like to see the video on that, I'll leave the link in the description box below. For anyone who doesn't know, an eater bag is a bag with a plastic front where you can display the things that you love and collect. There are many different types available, and these are just some examples that I found online. I purchased my bag and everything I'm putting inside in Comic-Con Las Vegas. If you would like to see that video, I'll also leave the link in the description box below. This is my bag and this cost $20. The first eater bag that I seen had a square plastic panel on the front, and to be honest I would have preferred that, but this was the first holographic one that I had seen, so I just took the one with the star. I'll be using these safety pins from Poundland to attach some of the items. You'll already know from the title that this is going to be a Kingdom Hearts eater bag, so I got these 3 Kingdom Hearts Keyblade, bag charms and keyrings. We have the Star Seeker, Oathkeeper and the Kingdom Key. As you can see, these were $5.99 each. Each of these have Disney printed on the keyring, a bag charm attachment and a little Kingdom Hearts charm. I was actually shocked to find that the Vegas Comic Con hardly had anything Kingdom Hearts, so what you're seeing here is basically everything that I could have bought. I think you'll agree that these pins are absolutely stunning, but you might be shocked at the price. In total, these pins cost $80. That may seem like a lot of money, but to be honest, I took a lot more than that to spend and there was hardly anything to buy. Normally I would never spend that kind of money on pins, but as you'll see in a second, these ones are really good quality, and after opening them, I think that they're really worth the money. Each pin comes in its own display case as well as a plastic box. These boxes would be perfect for displaying your pins on a shelf. As you can see, the pin is attached to the base standing up, so this is perfect for displaying, and it just looks like a cute little figure. As you can see, the attachment on the back covers both pins. I don't know about you, but I've had pins in the past that have had separate backs, and you always end up losing one, so this is a really good idea. These badges were $3 for 2. These 3 phone charms were $7. These are obviously handmade. I'm not sure if this was the girl's own artwork, but I think they're quite cute. I had also been planning to put this inside the bag. This is from the launch of Kingdom Hearts 3. Sadly I wasn't there, but my friend bought me this online. And if I had any space, I was going to add this glow-in-the-dark Jack Skeleton pin. So this is the finished bag. As you can see, I didn't manage to fit in any of the keyblades or extras, and when I first bought this I wasn't planning on buying one with a star, but this is the only holographic one I could see. Even though I didn't fit in any of the extras, I think it's turned out okay. As for the keyblades, I'm going to have to come up with another plan for them. I'll put one on the zip of this bag, and the other 2 on the zip of my everyday bag. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the final result. I know I could have put a lot more in here, but while I was filling it up, I figured that I spent so much money on these pins, and they look so good on their own. I mean, I really could have just put these in and nothing else, but I thought that I would put these in for a better effect. Normally I go over the top with everything, so this is quite subtle for me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!